Introduce highlight features or overview for LEAPUL LP51 leaf blower, 21-volt electric cordless leaf blower, 2x 2.0 amp-hour batteries and charger included, lightweight leaf blower. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Upgrade to 2 batteries and fast charging. LEAPUL cordless leaf blower comes with two 21-volt, 2.0 amp-hour batteries and a fast charger. It can work continuously for 20 minutes, 10 minutes per battery. You don't need to wait a long time for the battery to be fully charged. The fast charger only takes 1 hour to fully charge the battery. With the LEAPUL leaf blower, you can take care of your garden and backyard more efficiently. Advanced motor and easy assembly. LEAPUL cordless leaf blower adopts advanced turbo technology to maximize airflow output. Up to 280 CFM and 90 mph, the leaf blower can efficiently help you clean the target area. The LEAPUL cordless leaf blower can be assembled in minutes. Just install 2 nozzles and a battery to start the leaf blower. Lightweight design and wide uses. The leaf blower with battery weighs only 4 pounds, you can easily lift it with one hand. The detachable design makes storage easier and convenient to carry outdoors. The LEAPUL leaf blower can be widely used in daily life, whether it is leaves on the yard, deck, or dust and garbage in the garage, porch, can be blown away by this powerful cordless leaf blower. Battery maintenance tips. The battery is equipped with temperature control protection. After the battery is fully consumed, a green light may appear when charging immediately. Please wait 5 to 10 minutes after discharging before charging. At this time, the battery indicator light will be red, indicating the normal charging status. The indicator light will turn green when fully charged. To maximize battery life and longevity, please fully charge the battery when not in use. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.